Hi everyone, this is IT9001 again, and I'm here with another Flash tutorial, and this tutorial will be on shape tweens. So I'm just gonna make my background black again, just so it's more clear for you guys. And I'm just gonna draw my circle at the center of the stage this time, and I will tell you how to do a shape tween. Now, if you saw the last tutorial, I'm just going to make the stroke a little bigger first. Okay, so if you saw the last tutorial, you saw that we used the method of the initial state and the final state. So the initial state being where it is initially, and the final state being where the object ends up in the end. And just like a motion tween, the shape tween will help us. The shape tween will work similarly. Your initial state will be your original shape, the circle, and then your final state will be the circle modified. So, if we create, click F6 on frame 10 again, and go back to frame 1. So on frame 1, you see that you have a circle. And one more note: in order for a shape tween to work, the image has to be a vector. So a vector being a drawn image that you have created right in Flash. It does not work well with other objects, for example movie clips. So make sure that your image is a vector. So then go back to frame 10 now, and on frame 10 modify your shape to look weird, or different. And there you go, something like that. Then right click on the first frame and create shape tween. And as you can see, there's a tween that's been created. So then now go here, and if you press enter, you can see that there's a shape tween that has been created. And basically you can go back to frame 10 and modify the shape in whatever way you like in order for the shape tween to look better or worse. I'm just gonna do something like this. Press enter, and look, it's like goo or some sort of weird symbiote style. So very simple tween to do. Now I'm just going to show you how to do that with text. So I'm just going to type in delete all the frames again. So if you press shift F5, it'll delete everything. Go back to the first frame, write in some text. Say I'm going to write my name. Yes. Increase the size, change the color to white, make some letter spacing. Then select this, and then press Ctrl B once, and then press Ctrl B one more time. So press Ctrl B twice on your text, and then you will have the vector for it. So you will be able to select it and modify its shape. So now I'm going to go to frame 10, and I want the shape, the animation, to change into the normal version. So I'm going to make the initial state into jaggedy corners and whatnot. So I'm going to make it screw up the initial state of this text. So make it something really gay. Yes, I just used that word. And there we have it. Now right click on the initial state and create shape tween. So now you have the tween created. If you go down to the animation, press enter, and there we have it. We have a shape tween. It was very easy to create it, as you can see. And if you wanted to modify the shape tween, you could go over here at the beginning, and then on the right you can see the properties. You can do the same for motion tweens also. You can add, you can make it either angular or distributive. The ease, the way you want it to slow down, like slow down near the end or slow down near the start. So you can adjust that. The sound you can add while this is playing, so I don't have a sound to add. Synchronizing effects, if you want it to repeat or not. So you can go ahead and like play around with these properties. Similar properties are also available for the motion tween, and you also have a motion editor which you can play around with, which I won't discuss. So that's basically it for this tutorial. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. We'll be doing a simple animation from what we have learned so far.